process of renewal and restoration is almost complete. As the old saying goes, 2 hearts mean diligence, and opening a shop takes duty. It's never easy for craftsmen who work tirelessly from dawn to dusk, day after day. Since you've made it this far, I believe you wouldn't mind sharing a little free support with such a skilled craftsman. Your encouragement is what keeps us creating. Thank you so much for appreciating this young man's craftsmanship. On a scale of 1 to 10, what score would you give? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and follow. We'll be sharing amazing content every day. See you next time, and thanks for watching.